I know this is controversial, but I like Blade Runner 2049. I really love the cinematography and the colors in that movie. What if we wanted to have like a yellow orange on the top and a reddish orange on the bottom for our movie? Let's implement that. Instead of using this red, I'm going to use an orange red. Click OK. And we have to go over to the blend mode. Let's do multiply. And I'm going to drag this horizontal line down so I have more room for tracks. I'm going to drag the title up one, and I'm going to click on the red color matte and do an option drag to duplicate it. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to find a yellow orange. That color is going to be right here. Let's go with the yellow orange and click OK. Now both of the colors have a multiply on them. I'm going to turn this one off so we can see this one. I'm going to put a mask on this so we only see the top half. Click on opacity and click on the Free Draw Bezier pen tool. When we click on that, it creates a mask. I'm going to click up here, and then go through the middle, click over here, click up here, and then click over here. It's only going to show the top half. I'm going to take this button right here and drag it over so it feathers the color, and then click on the corners on the top up here to go outside of the frame. Drag this over to the right and drag this one over to the left. If we deselect it, we can see the top is that orange yellow. And now we can do the same thing on the bottom with this one. I'm going to turn that one on. So it's kind of upside down, right? So I'm going to click on the orange yellow one here. Click on the mask module again, and that's going to pop up here. And then drag this down to the bottom. Now we have that yellow orange on the top and that orange red on the bottom. If you want to make it more of a fade, click on that mask again and drag the circle out even further. And then deselect. That looks really cool. Let's watch it now.